Gardening, the gentle art of coaxing life from the earth. Whether you find solace in the whisper of leaves, joy in a blossoming bud, or magic in the soft embrace of a morning breeze, you're home here. For those whose hands have tilled the soil for decades, or who've rediscovered this calming pastime in retirement, welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead. Today we journey together through 25 ingenious, affordable, and back-friendly garden ideas, proving beauty doesn't diminish with age, but rather deepens. So settle in, friends, subscribe, and join our Buckeye Bloomstead channel, ensuring you never miss another seed of inspiration. Tip number 1, wooden crates into garden shelves. Old wooden crates once filled with fresh produce, now forgotten and dusty. Imagine giving them new purpose. Stack them gently against a garden fence, secure with a few simple screws, and behold, rustic, elegant shelves, ideal for herbs or flowers. No bending, no strain, just reach and enjoy the charm. On to tip number 2. Consider the humble cake pan, overlooked and unused. Place it atop a sturdy flower pot or a small, friendly stump, add water and a flat stone, and watch nature embrace this gentle invitation. Birds gather, adding melodies and motion to your quiet moments, a simple joy timeless and ageless. Tip 3. Colanders into hanging planters. Those old colanders hidden in kitchen cupboards, holes perfectly placed by design. Line them with coconut fiber, fill them with vibrant blooms or trailing ivy, and suspend them gracefully from your porch. A vintage charm, practicality built in, and a delightfully accessible gardening solution. Tip 4. Old walker as mobile potting bench. An unused walker, a symbol of past support, now transforms into a mobile potting bench. Add a sturdy tray, tools, seeds, and gloves, and effortlessly move your workspace into sunlight. It's gardening with dignity, comfort, and a tender nod to life's journey. Tip number 5. Shutters as vertical gardens. Faded shutters, once forgotten, become treasures again. Propped up against your fence, they're perfect for hanging pots, tools, or welcoming climbing flowers. This vertical elegance keeps gardening comfortably at eye level, enhancing your enjoyment without strain. Our tip 6 is milk crates for raised veggie beds. Milk crates stacked smartly become mini raised gardens. Line them, fill them, and grow delicious greens or berries. Elevated, modular, and easy to rearrange, gardening joy without the bending. Tip 7. Glass jar lanterns. Repurpose jars into gentle lanterns, adding tea lights or fairy lights for soft evening glows. Hang them from branches or fences, lighting your peaceful twilight strolls. Serenity, safety, and charm combined. Tip 8. Upcycled cutlery markers. Old spoons and forks, flattened and marked, add whimsical elegance to your garden. Practical and nostalgic reminders of planting day, keeping memories alive alongside your plants. Now on to tip number 9. Teacups as mini planters. Cracked or mismatched teacups find new life as delicate planters for succulents or pansies. Positioned comfortably on shelves or tables, they bring a touch of refinement and ease to your gardening. Tip 10. Picture frames as garden art. Discarded frames, repainted and hung outdoors, artfully spotlight your favorite blooms or vines. Nature becomes living art, creating scenes that captivate at every glance. Tip number 11. Ladders as tiered plant stands. Repurpose old ladders as tiered stands, effortlessly lifting plants into view without bending or stretching. Practical beauty, celebrating life's continuous upward journey. Tip 12. Vintage sinks as statement planters. Enamel sinks, retired from the kitchen, re-emerge as dramatic garden planters. Functional, charming, and conveniently raised, these sinks beautifully embody vintage gardening. Tip 13. Drawers as layered planters. Old drawers stacked creatively form charming, accessible garden beds. Effortlessly manageable, filled with lettuce or blooms, shabby chic meets comfortable gardening. If you're inspired or discover a new idea, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow gardening enthusiasts, and leave a comment letting us know your favorite tip. Your support helps our community grow. Tip 14. Pegboards and masonry nails. A pegboard transformed into a garden tool center provides tidy organization without strain. Tools become accessible, visual, and beautifully arranged, respecting hands and knees. Tip 15. Shower curtains as garden backdrops. Bright shower curtains elegantly conceal unsightly spots and add pops of cheerful color effortlessly, creating private, beautiful outdoor sanctuaries. Tip 16. Vintage luggage planters. An old suitcase carries a new story. plants thriving in its memories. Nostalgic, beautiful, and a testament to our ongoing journey of growth. Tip 17. Salvaged fence panels. Old fence panels shield your quiet garden corners, supporting lush vines and providing cozy solitude with simple elegance. Tip 18. Curtain rods as plant stakes. Unused curtain rods become decorative supports for tall plants, adding practical elegance to garden beds with ease and simplicity. Tip 19. Serving trays as herb gardens. Kitchen trays mounted outdoors host herbs neatly within easy reach, merging culinary convenience and garden charm. Tip 20. Picture frames as cold frames. Old glass picture frames gently protect seedlings, offering warmth and safety, lengthening your gardening season effortlessly. Tip 21. Wine racks as planters. Wine racks elegantly display small pots, bringing herbs and flowers within easy reach, poetic and practical. Tip 22. Concrete blocks for modular gardens. Stacked concrete blocks form versatile raised beds, strong, simple, and infinitely adaptable to your gardening needs. Tip 23. Corkboards as succulent gardens. A corkboard becomes living wall art, low maintenance and striking, illustrating that beauty thrives in the simplest ideas. Tip 24. Laundry racks for drying herbs. A foldable rack gently dries garden herbs, preserving your harvest naturally, adding practicality and satisfaction to your garden routine. Tip 25. PVC pipes as vertical planters. Lightweight PVC pipes offer futuristic gardening, effortlessly accessible and space-efficient, proving smart design suits every age. Now that we've explored 25 thoughtful and inspiring tips to transform your garden space, we'd love to invite you to be part of our creative journey. Do you have a garden idea, a challenge you're facing, or a topic you'd love to see us cover in an upcoming video? Let us know in the comments below. If your suggestion is chosen, we'll be sure to give you a special shout-out at the beginning of the video, because your ideas help shape this growing community. Don't be shy. Share your thoughts, and you just might see them bloom into our next project. And if you're the hands-on type with a DIY project of your own, something clever, simple, and perfect for gardeners like us, we'd love to see it. If you have a short video clip, around 3 minutes or less, and would like to share it with us, drop us a message or link in the comments, or reach out through our channel page. If selected, we'll feature your clip in a future episode and proudly give you full credit for your creativity. Because at Buckeye Bloomstead, every gardener has a story worth sharing. And here's a little inspiration to get you thinking. Maybe you've turned an old wooden chair into a planter, or built a rain chain out of vintage spoons. Maybe you've discovered a new way to dry herbs using a window screen, or turned mason jars into a wall of hanging micro-gardens. Even something as simple as a clever composting bin, a birdhouse from recycled materials, or a cozy little nook you've built for tea and tomatoes. These are the kinds of projects we'd be honored to share with the world. We believe wisdom grows in gardens, but it also grows in community. This channel isn't just about us sharing ideas, it's about creating a gathering place where folks like you can inspire one another. So whether your passion is flowers, food, or simply finding new ways to make your space feel more like home, don't hesitate. Help us grow a future episode together. And if you're unsure how to record or share your clip, feel free to ask in the comments. We're happy to help guide you. Whether you're using a phone, camera, or tablet, what matters most is the heart behind the idea. Together, we'll keep growing, season after season, story after story. If your clip is selected, we'll reach out to you directly to confirm credit details and ensure we highlight your name or your channel name properly in the video. For video submissions, you can contact us through our channel page or email us directly at buckeyebloomstead@gmail.com. We can't wait to see the creativity our viewers bring to the garden gate. Gardening transcends age, its peace, purpose, and endless possibility. Here at Buckeye Bloomstead, we cherish each bloom and every creative idea that keeps us growing gracefully. When we plant something, we're not just sowing seeds into the soil. We're planting hope, memory, and a little piece of ourselves. Each upcycled item, each clever reuse, is a testament to the wisdom and resilience that time gives us. Whether you're starting with a single potted herb on a balcony or transforming an entire backyard into a blooming oasis, your journey is valid, meaningful, and welcome here. So, if this video sparked inspiration or simply brought a smile to your day, we invite you to subscribe. Share your garden stories in the comments. Tell a friend who loves to dig in the dirt. And let's continue cultivating joy, one beautiful bloom at a time. Thank you for spending a little of your day with us. Your presence here means more than you know. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and keep finding wonder in every petal, every seed, and every moment in your garden. We'll see you again, right here at Buckeye Bloomstead.